There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube. That was let me turn the light on, see if this works better. I was playing around with this perfect handle screwdriver and it's still hot from the buffer, but got a nice glare on it so far. Yeah, I gotta use some. It is nice. It was kind of like this one. I don't know if you can see the difference, but one has a little thing to it, shine. But they kind of both look the same. This one's a little shorter. I was just playing around the buffer, trying to see if I can buff all. I was buffing the rust out, but yeah, it's I think I need some. I either need some what do you call it? Finer buffing compound or something. But man, this thing comes out. There's a little bit of staining in it. There's no maker marks. This side looks like it's been all banged to hell. Looks like it needs to be like filed down a little. But it looks pretty darn good. I mean, I don't know if I can get the glare out of here, but it's not bad for just a cheap, 20-minute little practice on the grinder. I want to file this down a little, clean it up, and then I'll try to remake some new jaws. This one has a lot of pitting in it, so I might have to grind the shit out of it. Actually, I'm gonna try to get the wood off because somebody looks like they put bolts in there and then I don't know, covered up the piece on here. Looks like they got some plastic wood in there or something. See what they did here. Some kind of old shit. It's like plastic wood or something. I'll look online how to fix these. So anyway, thanks for watching.